Self-driving cars don't just guess where they are going, they use an autonomous navigation system to build a 3D map of the world in real time. By combining GPS, cameras, and LiDAR sensors, the car identifies lanes, pedestrians, and traffic lights faster than you can blink. It calculates thousands of possible paths every second to choose the safest route through chaotic traffic without ever getting tired or distracted. It is the future of transportation. If you want to see which cars have the best autopilot features, like this video and subscribe for the latest automotive tech.